Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration of Homer. Homer gives you one dedicated place to save any information about your home and your household. This is the home screen, where we have divided the information into three distinct categories. You have your rooms, you have your items, and your documents about your home. If you need other categories, you can easily edit these shortcuts to quickly be able to reach them. Also on the home screen, you have your settings up in the top right corner. You have your home settings, you have your account settings, and you have a link to About Homer, where we give you information about how Homer works, for example. These are small tutorials, short tutorials, to help you with specific parts of the app. I will now show you how to add something into Homer. I'm going to add an item. For example, an oven. So I created a new card. I give it a title. Let's call it an oven. And now I'm going to add information. I press the big blue button, Add Information. A menu appears, giving me a choice of different things to add about the oven. In this case, I want to add the receipt for the oven, so I click Receipt. I can scan the receipt quickly and easily. That was a great scan. Homer then recognizes the text and reads the text of the receipt and automatically gives you an opportunity to fill it in by just clicking on the text. So in this case, it was a whirlpool with a model, well, quite a complicated model, but just by pressing on it, Homer fills it in. That's great. Now, if Homer recognizes this appliance or item, we will automatically fetch the manual for it, like you saw here. We also offer you to pick a product photo to make this card look great. Here I have a choice of a couple of different product photos, or I can add my own. In this case, one of the product photos offered looks great, and I'll use it. So now I was quickly able to create an oven, scan the receipt, enter the brand and model information, and then Homer automatically found the manual for this oven. Now I'm going to focus on the tags. So while this is an oven, and it's an item, it's also placed in my kitchen, and I want to organize this information. So I will actually tag this oven with kitchen, because that is where it is placed. So now it's an item, and it's placed in my kitchen. I can give it other categories or tags as well, such as kitchen appliance or major appliance, depending on how I want to organize things. Great. Now, if I want to view all the items in my kitchen, I can just click Kitchen. The card with the kitchen appears, and I can see images I've taken of the kitchen, notes, to-dos, and other items tagged with kitchen. I also have a timeline in the bottom tab bar. Here, I can add significant events in the history of the home, renovations, or other important investments made. These are also linked to rooms, items, or cards or other events that you've created. In this case, the sauna was built in September 2019. If I click sauna, I'm taken to that card, where I have taken pictures of how it looks. And I have, in this case, important measurements that I have added. Again, the information that I can add is varied. I can add notes, images, PDFs of documents, receipts. I can scan the type plate of a machine and add the brand and model. I could add a link, a video, or a timeline event to this specific card. You also have a home carousel at the top, where if you swipe on the top images, you can actually select the most beautiful images for your home that you want to use to show off. And you can, of course, add your own. You can also view these in full screen, a beautiful way to show off your home. Thank you.